does say it fits all leaf blowers, so hopefully it fits this one. This leaf blower does have this cone on the front. It makes more of a funnel effect. We do need to remove this. So I'll take this guy off. And this is where the liquid is going to come out, so we're going to put that on there. I'm going to slot this over here, and we're going to bring this, well, we're going to bring this through first. How are we going to do this? Like this, there we go. This is going to slot in here. We did it too tight, like that. It's going to allow us to hold this tight. I'm going to attach this 4-way spray nozzle. It's going to go on the end of this bit here. And what we're going to do is we want to make sure that the middle of the leaf blower exit is lined up with one of these holes or closer, so we're going to have to pull this down a little bit. And you could put this through here and then clip it back in so it's secure. We take our 4-way nozzle, we're going to put that on here. I'm going to take this around so the top 2 nozzles are pointing out either side and not just straight up at this bracket here. So you don't just have this pipe hanging down when you're spraying. It comes with this clasp here so you can secure this. A little branded on there, Mosquito Sniper. So I'm just going to put it around here like this. And it can hold that secure here. Because I'm going to hold my leaf blower in my right hand, so I can hold the pump sprayer in my left hand. This is going to connect onto our pump sprayer, but it's also got a little valve on here so you can turn it off and on, or off, then on. Next time you set up the pump sprayer, you don't need this wand here. What you do need to do is get the pickup line into the pump sprayer, and then tighten this on. And just take the end of your hose that has that valve on it that I was showing you before and screw this on. Now you're ready to go mix whatever chemical you're going to be using. I'm going to be using the Wonder side. You can see here with the sprayer attachment set up, and then we have the pump.